When it comes to energy exploration, safety is non-negotiable. Lives are on the line, and the technology that protects those lives must be unwavering in its reliability. That's why at CAD Control Systems, quality and safety always come first. We engineer and manufacture blowout preventer control systems that stand guard over your vital operations. Sourced from premium materials and built for precision and reliability in even the harshest and most demanding environments. With CAD, you're getting more than just a piece of equipment. You're getting peace of mind. That's why every CAD system is meticulously developed by our experienced team, working together to ensure that excellence is the expectation, not the exception. Balancing innovation and emergent technologies with decades of experience to get the job done right. That's why we are the trusted partner of the world's leading energy companies. And that partnership goes beyond engineering and design. We offer equipment rental and provide ongoing support 24/7. When it comes to safety, reliability, and support, we've got you covered, ensuring you can get the job done with confidence. CAD Control Systems, engineering confidence worldwide.